Welcome to this tutorial on mastering the My Boards feature on HuddleIQ. Let's dive in. My Boards is the default view you'll encounter every time you log into HuddleIQ. To access My Boards at any time, click on My Boards located at the top of the left-hand panel. If this option isn't visible, use the hamburger menu to view the menu, and select My Boards. My Boards is designed to display content that's important to you. By default, it shows boards that you've either starred or have been invited to. Any board you create is automatically starred, since you're the owner, making it appear in My Boards. You can also star boards created by others that you find important, or unstar boards that are no longer relevant, whether you created those boards or not. To star a board, navigate to any board, in any project, and manually star or unstar it. This determines its visibility in My Boards. You can also do this directly from the My Boards view as well. Boards you are invited to are displayed first by default. You can delete any invitation if you choose not to participate. You can sort boards alphabetically, or by creation date, last opened, modification date, ownership, or starred. Don't forget the ability to sort ascendingly or descendingly. Note that selecting the Start option will display invitations first, and then boards that have been starred, in the order of when the boards were last modified. Alternatively, you can filter the My Boards display to only show boards where you are the owner. You can change how My Boards is displayed by choosing between Grid View or List View based on your personal preference. In the My Boards view, you also have the option to create a new board. When creating, you'll be prompted to name the board and select the project it belongs to. When selecting a project, note that shared icons indicates a project potentially accessible by others, while the absence of this icon denotes a private project that is only accessible by you. The search bar allows you to search across all boards you have access to across all projects. When the All filter is selected, the search results will display all matching boards, even those you only have permission to view but not open. If you try to access a board without the necessary permissions, you'll be notified. Alternatively, you can narrow your search to boards and invites only listed in the My Boards view, which we've discussed, or to invites sent, which includes only active invitations you've sent to others. You can also search within specific projects, whether they are private or shared. In conclusion, My Boards is a central hub for all your board and invite-related activities on HuddleIQ. By understanding its features and functionalities, you can efficiently manage and navigate through your projects and boards. Happy collaborating!